Number one, addition of hydrogen cyanide, HCN. You know hydrogen cyanide is poisonous, so directly hydrogen cyanide is not added. It is produced by the sodium cyanide and any acid, either HCl or H2SO4. Then you will get HCN plus Na2SO4. The sodium cyanide solution H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 is added. Here you see NaCN will produce some, in aqueous solution it produce some alkali also, NaOH plus HCN. This OH minus will react with HCN, hydrogen cyanide, forming H2O plus Cn minus. Nucleophile will also be obtained by this reaction. So this nucleophile will increase or will help to increase the product. So in case of addition reaction HCN, we will take NaCN plus H2H2O mixture or HCl mixture. Now you see an aldehyde, CH3C double bond O H. This is an aldehyde. If you add HCN, in HCN H is plus and Cn is minus. Where carbon will be plus and oxygen will be minus. So the product is CH3CH. Oxygen will be minus. This minus will be attached with hydrogen positive OH and Cn. This is nucleophile. Nucleophile will attack the positively charged carbon. Here, if you take in place of hydrogen, if you take CH3, then it will be ketone, and here also it will be ketone. If you take an aromatic aldehyde or aromatic ketone and HCN, then also you will get aldehyde cyanohydrin. These are called cyanohydrin. These are called, addition products are called cyanohydrin. So this is the addition reaction of HCN. Now another examples are being given. Number 2, addition reaction of sodium bisulfite NaHSO3, CH3C double bond OH plus HCN. Sorry, I have given you HCN once. Now we will take NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite, NaHSO3. Here H is positive and SO3Na is negative center. Sulfur is negative. The product will be CH3CH. Oxygen will be attached to positive charge H plus H and SO3Na. This is aldehyde bisulfite additive compound. If you take here in place of H, if you take CH3, you will get CH3. Same way, aldehydes, aliphatic aldehydes, aromatic aldehydes or ketones will react in the same way. The positive sides of this reaction is that these are solid crystals. These bisulfite addition product are solid crystals. Now, if these solid crystals, say we are taking solid crystals from aldehyde. Now, if you add either HCl or NaOH, dilute HCl or dilute alkali to this bisulfide compound, then what will happen? This is H. You will get aldehyde again, and the different product are NaCl plus SO2 plus H2O. You will get aldehyde back or ketone back. If you add alkali to this bisulfide compound, then you will again get this aldehyde, and the other product is Na2SO3 plus H2O. So by these reactions, aldehydes and ketones can be purified or can be differentiated from other non-carbonyl compounds. These are carbonyl compounds. So by adding sodium bisulfide, you will get a crystal sodium bisulfide addition product, and then you will again return back the aldehydes and ketones by adding either acid or alkali. There are also some other reactions by adding say a alcohol, very important reaction. Next day I will discuss about addition of alcohol, formation of homoacetal and acetal, reactions of Grignard reagent with aldehydes and ketones. Next day I will discuss.